this week we are about to finish up this patio. So you saw us build the pergola and we installed the pool. So now it is time to add some decor to the back, which is my favorite part. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we're gonna do, then stay tuned. Okay, so one of the first things that you want to do when working in an outdoor space is think about shade, especially if you live in a hot climate like me. I am in Florida, so it gets extremely hot. So I was very excited when I was sent this umbrella. This is Phi Villa brand. This is a 10-foot solar umbrella. I received it in the mail. It came in about a week or so. Shipping was extremely fast. I was able to put this together all by myself. I will be leaving a link in my description box below so you can see where you can purchase one from. But stay tuned later on in the video to see exactly where I use this in our decor. patio makeover or our patio oasis. If you guys have enjoyed this series, then go ahead and let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next